serious business.
Now one on that copper. That is the out. Banana. Say hi. What are you doing? Eh? Hey, Nana. What are you doing? You are a big boy. My son is so crazy, guys. So crazy. You can see it. The way he's behaving, the way he's doing his face. See. I promised myself to say this week I'm going to rest, and this week I need to talk to my son. I need to be with my son. It has been 3 weeks now since I haven't been with him. I've been just moving up and down, doing my traveling videos, also doing some videos for this second channel. So it has been let me say a workaholic. You know, I don't know how they say it, but workaholic. So I thought of like, let me just get maybe let me rest, and then see where he is right now. See. Hey, Nana. We are coming from the market, and then we are from buying his favorite drink, which is called Fruticana. So he just woke up in the morning today and said, Daddy, I want Kana. So, you know, when you're around as a father, you need to give what your son wants. So I had to provide for him the Kana he wanted, which is the Fruticana. So we bought the Fruticana from the market, and then this time we are heading home. We are going home. I think we are going to spend some time with him. If it's not the whole day, then it's maybe you go back maybe tomorrow morning. So we are going to be together today, son and the father. I was thinking that I will be with my son today. I was thinking that maybe we are going to spend a day together, but unfortunately, what I was thinking was wrong. He had certain plans, he has certain reasons to go. So he has left me, he has gone to my sister's place. You know, she came here, she came to say hi, and then he started crying for him to go there. And I was like, fine, go. Because most of the time, my boy spends time with her. So most of the time he goes to pick her up, and then he picks him up, and then we are together just like that. But so they are used together. They are used they are friends. There is a big connection between my son and my sister. These people, they love each other. I'm telling you. I don't know. Maybe these guys, they are happy together, or I don't know the connection between. Me, I was thinking maybe I've bought a drink for him. Maybe we are going to spend the day together. We are going to chat, play around. Now, and I hope this is going to come back. You will see. You are going to see. He's coming back very soon. I was left, and then we decided to make fritters with my other sister. So I was here preparing the cooking oil and seeing if the cooking oil is stable. Now we can put some fritters there. You can see that was our first test. So I was still worried, because I can't see my son, and I was praying that
someone here is making fritters. Come on, come on. It's just business. This is what we do when we are at home. Mbaba misha vile upanga. Mbaba misha vile upanga.
Beshi wanani?
Abashara.
Katuishi. Nina alepanga wale unkandira kufifurawa. Echanju upako.
Kwanda furawa? Na ipo space na ipo space umupia furawa pa kupita kaidi.
I knew how to make fritters for my mom, so I was telling her to say, my mom taught me how to do this. So this is why you are seeing this. The time I was living with my mom and the time I was in Masalandola, that's where we were doing this with my mom. My mom could make flour and then I could fry fritters for her and sell. The same fritters to people around. Since I was left alone, my son went to my sister and I chose to sleep. You can see I was holding a pillow. Wow, I felt so sad here because I was alone. My aim wasn't the way it came out. Hey guys, this is when I've just woke up. Indeed, my body was so tired, and right now, feeling good, I'm feeling okay. I slept like a baby in the afternoon, I'm telling you. But what kept me awake up is because of the sun. It's too hot here. Too hot here in Ndola, Zambia. And the rain is nowhere to be seen. Maybe if the rain falls, it's going to be cold. No, I don't think if we are going to see the rain because the moon is out. The moon is out, and here in Africa we do study the moon, we do study the sun to say it's gonna rain or it's not going to rain. So according to what we know, what we've studied, is that today it's not gonna rain because of the moon and the sunshine. So just missing my son, Up to this time he's not yet back. I missed him. Anyway, I'll see him. He'll be here very, very soon. Guys,
I guess you're back.
I'm so happy he's back.
Are you gonna tell me where you went?
Yeah, I can
All the
see
messages I sent with no reply. It's
he's
like
back. My son is back. Anyway, my heart is at rest now because I was worried. I was something like, I don't know what I can say. That feeling, I I I chose this day to be with him, and then that happened. I'm telling you, it was a heartbreaking for me. I was thinking maybe he's not going to come back. I was thinking maybe he's going to spend a night there because they've got that bond with my sister. Ha! I'm happy. And my sister told me to say, he was saying, I want to go and see daddy. I want to go and see daddy. That's why they brought him back. Now he's here. He's here. He's here. There is so much happiness seeing your son or your daughter, no matter how you live, no matter where you are, there is that happiness, you see, and that connection. If you have that connection with your son or your daughter, I'm telling you, you never don't want to go away from them. So you can just hear the noise. He's here. Naona upiba machabutka akapitula iliko noti iliyaimbi kapitula. Where is it? Mwasha. At this point, I was trying to ask him so many questions where he left the shot, because sometimes I remember one day he left the shot somewhere where we even failed to get the shot. So at this point, I was just trying to ask him where he left the shot and see if we can retrieve it. He came home with just a pant, so I was just trying to ask him where he left it. Mana kasi?
Giwe. Ndiko ngoya. Wabisha atlamjis mabibu. Kansi ndiko namba yawe. Ndia kwa sasa hivi kwa kushia kare.
Awubeni? Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Hey. Oh, jump, jump. Oh, jump, jump. Ah, jump, jump. Hey. Jump, jump, daddy. Jump, jump. Hmm? So, what if for them pangakatin provide? Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like the video, share. Okay. What do you want? Drinky? Dinky? Okay. Thank you guys. I'm out.